Okay, it's me again. So this time I want to finish the part of the report. Um, why is report? Because you see the page orientation. Can you change orientation in your query? No. I think those settings format goes to the report. So when you go to in the public exam, you see about the orientation, it should be the start of the report. And you see the another parts like that. Query, and then you can see the page orientations is the start point of the report. So we go back. Um, it has a page orientation or landscape, fitting on a single page, the title. Okay, because we already prepared the data, so we create a report directly. We go to the report, so the same create a report here, report visa. Why don't use the report? Because if I click this, yes, I click this, this is the report just like that. And you need to make many customization on it. So I don't suggest you use this. Close. Okay, we use the better ways. Is the research report research here. Okay. Um, page orientation. Okay, which field we need to select? Because we already made this in the query. You see the query here. So we already select the fields that the questions they need. Okay, so just select all the field, double arrow, all the field, next, and do not group by data. Why? This is grouped by student number. One student can have many tests, but we don't want to group. Why? Because here, don't group, do not group the data. But you can see this is on the query. Sometimes it's overlap. So adjust yourself, yes, and practice make perfect. Do not group. So here it will show the data one by one. Okay, we go. And do you want to add any groupings? Because in the question paper, in the past exam paper, they don't ask you to do any some grouping, so none. Next, um, you can sort the record because we already sorted in the query. So go. Normally we use the this one, the default setting layout, and this one and this one. Actually, they are very different. Let me show you how they different. I think this time I need to show. Okay, from VICT, the difference with the data manipulations report, reports. Okay, what's the difference between this type? Okay, here column, columnar. It means that a big a big area to show the record, one record and a second record. And tabular is the common, there's a row, a line to show each record. And justify, you see the whole page just displaying the one record or one person, such like your report card. So for the long mode, I think we use this one, tabular. It means that the default setting. So go here, default setting, and landscape. Okay, landscape, landscape. Next, I suggest you change the title. The title is the Internet Units Completed. It means that how many students complete the Internet units. Mm, Finished. Okay, we got our report. But you see here some problem here. Hashtag. Here is hidden. So we need to do some adjustment for displaying all the data. Okay, so we may finish the task one by one. So already finished this. the top of the page, Internet Unix Computer. So go to here. Yes. How can we change? We cannot change in this mode. This is pin preview mode. Pin preview mode. Okay. We go to view, and this, I think design and layout is good. Layout is like that. You can see the data. The Yes, and the design is totally different. You may set the footer, header. Yes. Okay. Anyway, okay, we change here. We want to make it to be a center, low feeling, low effect. So you make it bigger. Okay, go to the center. Center within the width of the page. Finish in a bold serif 28 point. So bold sans width, it means that it needs a tail. This one, okay, it's okay, has a tail at the end of each letter. Okay, this is or normal we use Times New Roman. Times New Roman, yes. This is sans width. Okay, another sans width. Sans width, it means that sans low tails or low the line at the ending of each letter. Okay, this is serif. This is sans serif. Low the tail at the end of each letter. So here, as the question indicated, we use a sans width. Okay, all letter fully visible. Okay. Okay, looks good. Go back view, and we go to the layout view. Why? Because layout view you can see the data. So you check this. How can we select the title and the data? Use control. This one. Use this key or this key. Okay, use control. Press your control button and pass the data. Move like this. I suggest you use like this. You can use other method, but you will find this method is very good. I think this one, this control, this. Okay, looks good. Okay, this control, this control, this control. Yeah. Okay, you need to display. Okay, see here. It's not good. You need to display all the tests. Okay, good. Here. Okay, I think we have much space here. So with this control, select the data. Yes. Okay. Select the header. Control data again. Yes. Looks good. Okay, good. Birthday. Here. Birthday. Yes, this one. Control button. Okay, we go here full time. Yes or not, looks good. Okay, last one. Good. Okay, you see all the data is displayed. Okay, good. Finish. So we finish this task. Calculate the average score and place this below the score column. Okay, scores. it is the existing field. Okay, so we want to do some statistical calculations. So what's that mean? We want to add a average mark here. Yes, to understand the whole results. So here, first of all, click the data, and then you can see the design, and you can see the totals. Click the drop down box, and then you will see the average. Yes, average. What happened? See the bottom of the page. You see this is the average number. Okay, and in an integer, yes, and has a label. The label is called an average mark to the left of this value. So integer, how can we change this number to integer? Again, click this, go to the top. Yes. Okay. Okay, design. Again, design. We want to find this properties sheet. Um, so you need to get yourself familiar with those buttons. Yes, I want to get this button, so I search one by one, and I can see this button here. Click this. You can try, but from my experience, I tell you the how to do this. Format, we go to the standard decimal places. No, so zeros. I think done. Go back. You see, very good. Save. Okay. We done. Okay. Okay. Last. Has your name, center number, and candidate number on every page of the report. Every page. Okay. I think this time I need to explain what's the every page. Go back my PowerPoint. Every page. Okay. You can see in the report, you have 5 sections: report header, page header, detail, page footer, and report footer. What's report headers? It appears only once. It means that only one time at the top of the first page of the report. Normally, we used to put the title, logo, page headers. Good question. It display in on each page. Each page, remember this. Maybe page number, yes. Details is about your data, your test data, and then it repeatedly display. Okay, it's main data. Page footer, actually this is the same page. You see page and page is on the top, is on the bottom. It's the almost display on each page. So you can see page number, current date, yes. And report footer it matched for the top, for the first one here. Report. You see, it means that it display only once. Okay. Normally it used for the statistic calculation. Okay. So here, because we want to show our link on each page, so we can show it, type it in the page header or page footer. Okay, so we go back. Every page. I like footer, so I go to the access. So because you see, I cannot modify the footer header here. So you go to another view. I think design view. Okay, it looks good. Okay, here, because I want to put your data into the page, not the report, because the page, it means that display in each page. Okay, here, and then design again, and find a label here, label, yes, here, your name, center number 1 2 3 4, candidate number 5 6 7 8, and Maybe you want it to make it bigger. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, sometime I need to go out. Yes, go out, kick other, and then okay, we can bigger, maybe like this one. Looks good. Okay, okay, done. And we test save, and we go to the home and view. Remember, you guys need to pin your result. So pin because you need to pin it out. So go to pin preview. As examiner, they only watch your pin out. Go there. Okay, see your name here. Go to next. I think this is not enough. The space not enough. I need to make it bigger, right? This again view pin preview. Yes, your name on the every page. Yes, all the details display. Okay, looks very good. So save and pin. Okay, pin out. It means that ask you to pin it out. This report, this report. So pin preview, pin, and then you just click pin, and your date file will go to the printer, and then you pin it out. Pin. Okay, done. And the next evidence. So you need to take a screenshot. So the formula used to calculate the average score. Okay, average score we go to. Okay, done. So it's not the fact we need to the formula. If you go to the here, this one layout view, you cannot see the. Oh God, you cannot see the formula. It does. It only show the result. So design view, and then go here. And yes, but at this time I think I forgot for what. Yes, has a label average mark to the left of this value. So okay, go. I think I do it very easy. Design label. Yes, you need to tell the client what's the meaning of your score. So you need to put a label, a title. This one, use this one. Okay, and then okay, and no, we need to take a screenshot. So print screen here, print screen. So go back, print screen. Open your evidence files. Evidence files. Okay. Control V. Yes. Crop here. Okay. Here. Because it only need your formulas. Okay. Crop. Make it bigger. Good. Done. And done. Okay, stop here.